the main problem in India. That is why our India is not growing, sir. Our India is not growing.
Listen to her.
अरे sir, कैसे मैं सुनूं?
You can see what is the harsh reality of India. Everyone is celebrating festival.
How can you say
Sit
that?
together. And it's also good. It's also
Cap,
good
sir.
of personality.
Cap, sir.
It's also of personality. Sir is celebrating. Okay, first of all, you will have to tell. In Eid, sir, no, it's not like that. In Eid.
Who job?
I want to say something. What?
You're talking about
What?
You're talking about Chhat Puja.
Yes.
Do you know the history of Chhat Puja?
Yes, I know.
Tell the history.
I'm telling you.
Pollution in America.
There is no pollution.
Sir, they are so-called people
ignoring
American.
the
They
point, there is
have,
no
sir,
pollution.
they have used their all resources and they have developed themselves. First industrialists come there in their country, and now they are targeting our country. They are slaughtering the bakra and bakri. What is going on, sir? What is going on? And I will kill him on the occasion.
Why you are not accepting them? Why you are not accepting them? This is your fault, man. This is your fault. Why you are not accepting?
For example,
Yes.
if Nauzubillah, I lost my loved ones.
Yes.
Is there any point I go to my relatives? Is there any point I go to my friends?
You don't have relative. You don't have relative.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir, I'm okay.
Because of sorry, ma.
Yes, sir.
Making me doula of the talks today. I feel so honored and privileged. And after some time, you will become so-called doula as well, right? But excuse me, guys. I have one warm-up round, guys. Yes, sir. Do you know warm-up, guys? Yes, sir. But do not disrespect anybody. Do not harm anybody. Do not do any injury of anybody. Do not slap anybody. But you have to go and hold somebody, or you have to go to a person and say that, excuse me. Whatever you want to say, you can say, right? But speaking the point that, excuse me, festivals are good because in Holi we can celebrate together. Means you have to challenge that person, right? One person will catch one person, right? It's kind of warm up. You have to shout. I know we will not be able to listen you, but it's kind of warm up round, right? Go! Yes! Hey guys, come, you also come! Go! 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 You are Indian, you know. You are Indian, you are living in India, and you are against the festival. Listen to him. What are you saying? Yes, what are you saying?
Sir,
Are, of course.
okay. Thank you, sir.
You are Indian now. Are say something. What are you saying?
Sir.
It's a dialogue. क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? It's a dialogue. It's a dialogue. Of course.
Yes, sir.
Dialogue
and
can be
on the
spoken.
basis of the religion, on the basis of costume, on the basis of the religion. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर? Sit down. How dare you sit down? And you are talking about the.
All right, sit down, please. Sit down, please. Guys, are you had to speak. You guys have started fighting. No. You guys started physically fight. What is this? This is not good. Now girls versus girls. But please don't. They were fighting. Don't fight. Speak just speak. Boys made mistake. Girls versus girls. Boys can't go. You agree? Oh! She is also celebrating. Please. All right. Okay, no problem. It's okay. It was only for warm up, guys. Now let's be very much neutral, guys. Very neutral. Now, guys, I am going to tell you and share disclaimer of this debate, guys. Okay? You have to listen carefully. because sometime because of not following discipline, your team loses, guys, right? Here we have batch B, here we have batch A. I really salute and appreciate the preparation and practice the way you did, guys. And I really appreciate your passion and enthusiasms. The way you are showing your passion, the way you are showing your enthusiasm, especially for communication, I really appreciate, guys. In today's generation, so many people are running after becoming IAS officer and they are preparing for UPSC and all. They have really enthusiasms and I appreciate them. Now, in Well Talk coaching for only English language and communication, the way you are showing your passion and enthusiasm, it is really more than IAS officer, it is really more than IPS officer. So I really appreciate it. All right, now disclaimer, guys, none can use mobile phone, right? I will be somewhere standing and I will be noticing everybody. You cannot use mobile phone during conversation, guys. Yes, maybe there may be emergency because there are some workers as well, there are employees as well, they have to work somewhere. So you simply can raise hand, I will allow you. You can go outside and talk as much as possible. You can talk outside, guys, right? But you cannot discuss here, you cannot receive your call here, guys. And yes, second thing, none Hindi can be spoken, guys. You cannot speak even single word of Hindi language, but yes, some dialogues can be spoken, right? There are some dialogues like kya baat kar rahe hain aap, right? Something like that. Are is not a dialogue, sir, right? It is English form. Now, if he says, let him say, no, be happy. I will be there to give minus, right? Don't say array, don't say abe, right? But yes, for your confidence building, you can become argumentative, right? You can become aggressive a little bit. You can say, get out from here, right? You can become dramatic. It is good just for your confidence building, guys. But in debate, it is not done. And it should not be done, actually, for communication. Communication is all about beautifully conveying your messages, right? But in debate, sometimes I allowed to do that. Like the way we did a warm-up, it should not be done. But I made you do just because of making you energetic and making you wake up. So first disclaimer was for mobile phone, the second was for Hindi. Now third one, more than 3 people cannot speak. Here is not about group to group. This sofa will be here, one sofa will be here, one table will be there, and you guys have to talk. A person who will be genuine, he will be continuing sitting, and that person will go back and he will be in minus. All right, did you understand that? Yes. So can we start? Yes, sir. But some people were thinking that, shouting like this is not debate. Of course, it's not debate, guys. But you can become aggressive, guys. Yes, as I have told you. In disclaimer, I have told you that you can become argumentative. If I allow you, you have to debate like this. You are absolutely right. This is not debate. I mean, if you do like this, people will start sleeping here, and that will not boost your confidence, guys. Yes, but in actual debate, you have to be very neutral. Yes. You have to be very calm. You have to be euphemistic, guys. But I'm allowing you because this is Well Talk is the hub of discussion. Well Talk is the hub of confidence building, right? So you all need to be aggressive, guys, right? Okay, now one person needs to come and sit down here and share opinion, and then other people will come and then we'll catch him, right? Come on, who should come? And one thing, guys, you know what? There should be kind of girl versus boy. Yes, sir. If a boy comes here, then girl should come from there. If one girl comes from there, then a boy should come from there. So, captain, decide, please. Sujit, come on! Right, please, Sujit, have a seat. How are you?
Sir, I'm great, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Why are you copying? I'm shivering.
No, sir. Sir, because I am very damn excited. That is why I'm, sir.
No, you are like shivering, like this.
No, sir, there is no shivering. They are shivering after seeing me. They are getting shivering.
Sweating, sir.
No, just
no
one
problem.
Only one side, right?
Thank
so, Mr. Sujit,
yes, sir.
I mean, everybody's performing well, no doubt. But what is your cooperation and collaboration with your team members to make your team win?
Yes, sir. Because of my team members.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Because of my team members, I came here. I am very confident because of my captain, Sorima.
Sorima?
Sorima.
He
sir.
doesn't know captain name.
Sorima.
It's like
Sorima.
Okay. It's like Sorima.
Doesn't matter, sir. Name doesn't matter, but
Actually, she's right. I made it just to make you laugh, guys, right? Come on, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, so Sorima is there for you, right?
yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Because of Sorima?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
But what about this team? They will...
No, sir. There is no problem because
They will pulp you. They will
no
pulverize
problem.
you.
I'm ready, sir. I'm ready.
They will make you sauce.
I'm ready. Yes, sir. Because
Please sit down. Say your opinion.
yes, sir. I want to say.
But what is the chitta?
Sir, no, sir. Only one line, sir.
Acha, diary.
This is made by me, sir.
Okay. Sir, not by the notebook, sir. Not by the notebook.
अरे related to what is going on? विकसित देश बनावत कारखाना, विकसित देश बनावत कारखाना हम सजाइला दिया
Yeah.
या ओकरा लगे विज्ञान के रास्ता, हमारा पास जादू टोना. What is going on in India? Yeah. And पैसा बात रोज दिवाली रोज दशहरा, पैसा बात रोज दिवाली दशहरा, आ नहीं खे तो दिन दुखिया. अब बत्ती जला के खुश भईनी, बत्ती जला के खुश भईनी, बाकी सोच अधियार. बत्ती जला के खुश भईनी, बाकी सोच अधियार. ऐसे पीछे रह जानी, ई बात सच्चाई के संसार, ई बात सच्चाई के संसार, ई बात सच्चाई के बात.
Wow. Have you done?
Yes, sir, I have done.
May I
Okay.
close this, sir?
Yeah, of course, I'm
Of
ready.
course, please. Now the time is yours.
Yes, sir.
What's your point?
Sir, according to me, sir, festival. If you have money, each day, every day and every moment is a festival, sir. If you have money, yeah. If you have money, sir,
if you have money every day,
every
then
day
you
is
will
a festival. You will celebrate festival
Every day.
Yes, sir. And sir, yeah. And 70% population of the people are living in sir village, and they are earning on sources. What is this? Only sir kheti badi related to sir crops. They are totally depends on the crops. And what is the earning of the crops? Revenue of the crops. Only sir economy is very low, and they are earning only sir less than money. And at least sir 1 month they are celebrating 5 festivals, sir. And they have no money, sir. Celebrate, sir, like to celebrate like sir rang birangi, like this. Only sir black and white in their life. And sir on the Bakrid, sir, on the Bakrid, they are slaughtering the bakra and bakri. What is going on, sir? What is going on? And I will kill him on the occasion. On the occasion of the Bakrid, sir, I will kill him, sir. I will kill him. And yeah, yes, sir. Shame on you. On the occasion of the Bakrid, these type of people they are talking about the unity. Where is unity? On the basis of the casting and religious community you are distributing. Okay, you are.
Let me speak.
Why are you giving charge? Why
Why
are
the shouting? You cannot.
This is my responsibility. Sir, why are you giving charge? You are talking about what are them? You charge of people who are living.
Have you ever taken medicine or not? Have you ever taken medicine or not?
अरे मैम क्या बात कर रही है? What is going on?
What is this?
अरे सर
Listen to her as well.
Actually, have you taken ever medicine or not?
Medicine. Yes.
सर
Have you taken?
I have taken. What is
Have you taken medicine or not?
sir? What is the relation between the medicine and festival? We are coming here for the festival. I mean, he's talking about the festival. Sir, we are coming for the topic of the festival, and she is talking about the festival. Sir, what is going on? Sir, we came here for the topic of the festival, and she is talking about the medicine. What is?
Have you taken medicine or not?
She
Have
has
you taken medicine or
points.
not?
Okay,
And the tech is the medicine comes from the by the what?
What?
By the experiment of animals. By the experiment of animals.
That means you are killing.
Let me
Sir,
speak.
that is why you are killing.
Hello.
Sir.
The Pond's powder, the toothpaste you are using, it's come from by the leg.
Yeah. Do you know?
Okay.
Don't shout.
Don't
discuss.
Sir, we are the Sasta people.
The Pond's powder.
Okay, ma'am. We are the Sasta people. We are celebrating. At least
people.
250 plus out of the 300, sir. 250 plus out of the 365.
Before
we are
few minutes,
celebrating.
before
We are
few minutes, what
celebrating
he
festival.
said?
That is why our India is not developing. And that is why. And
Let me complete.
sir.
What is going on? Let me
Shut up!
What are you singing?
Get out!
You
the festival. We are.
Why allow her to speak? Only you are speaking.
Sir, this is debate. Sir, this is debate.
महिला की आवाज दबाई जा रही है.
Sir, what is the difference between Mahila and a Bruce? What is the difference between?
It's a debate, but
Yeah.
you need to listen her point also.
Before a few minutes, let me complete. Let me complete.
Huh?
Sir,
You
let me
should complete. You must complete.
So let me complete now. What you said before minutes. If you have money, every day is your festival.
Yes, of course.
And
Why
now
not?
you are saying- Now you are
Festival is related to money.
Now you are saying what? Now you are saying what? We are poor people. Poor people.
Yes,
we are
of course. We are the people.
Before
Can
you
be
said-
about each and every festival. Where? I cannot sir, stop, sir.
Just listen to her first. Do you listen to her?
Yes, sir, sir. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. No.
Before few minutes. Sir, before few
Sir, what is
minutes.
going on? This is my thing, na? This is my chance, na? This is my chance, na? Sir, this is my chance.
At least listen her. 1 minute. At least listen her.
Arey!
Actually, wait.
Listen her.
Sujit, we respect your point.
Okay, sir,
We
okay.
respect your point, but at least, please give at least 30 seconds.
30 seconds, okay, sir.
Ekdam silent.
Sir.
And bear the point.
I want to say something. Don't be shout on me, okay? First of all, let me complete. Then you will do. Then you can speak, okay? First of all, I want to say something. India known by the culture.
Is known by.
Is known by culture, okay? And you are not celebrating culture. You are celebrating birthday parties. You are celebrating birthday parties. Anniversary, farewell. What is this? And if we are celebrating Chhat Puja, Diwali, Holi, and they are against of like what? Do you know? Where are you from? I want to say
I'm
something.
from Gorakhpur.
Gorakhpur?
Yeah.
UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and MP. They are celebrating Chhat Puja. For what? For what? For what? Let me complete. For what? They are offering of sun. Okay? And sun gives us what? Vitamin D. Sun. What vitamin? Everything is connected by nature. It's connected by science. Okay? You will have to understand. By the celebrating birthday party, you will not connect the nature. Okay? One day? One day. Okay. Everything. First of all, let me complete. Everything is related by nature, by the like what? By the science. And you will have to understand. If you are like in festival, if you are like during fasting, if you are having fasting, okay, having fast. First of all, you will have to understand by the science. You can see what is the reality of festival. Okay, if you are having fast, your full body will be relaxed, and it shows the what? It shows the power of like what? Having fast. You will have to understand, sir. India is known. So what? And if they are talking about the pollution, sir, I want to say something last. If they are talking about the pollution, okay, you are using like polythene. You are there by the leader. If leader is winning in and like India is winning in cricketing, they are cracking like crackers, and that is very good for us. That is very good for them. That is.
Sir, can you?
Sir, and if we are celebrating Diwali,
Sir, can you give me?
If they are celebrating-
May I ask question? Can I ask question?
Sir,
Can I ask
yes,
question?
you can ask.
Yeah. We Hindu are celebrating Diwali and Chhat Puja.
Okay.
Can sir Muslim people can celebrate?
Yes. They can. Sir.
Sir, I'm talking about democracy.
It is like that.
On the basis of sir, this is my chance. On the basis.
Let me complete, sir.
Arey.
Sir, please, sir. Let me complete.
His
I want to say
question is-
something. Chhat Puja is about to come.
His question.
And let me complete,
His
man.
question is, can Muslim
He is
celebrate?
enough for shouting, okay?
Can Muslim?
He is enough for shouting, okay?
Okay, Didi,
Let me complete.
Didi, I
He is
understand.
enough for shouting.
Okay. Can Muslim celebrate
Yes.
or not? Of course, yes.
And sir, I'm talking about the politics. Please listen to me, sir. Sir.
You can celebrate.
Please.
You can celebrate.
Please. Sir, if I am Muslim, sir, if I am Muslim and I am celebrating Bakrid and there is in the front of my home, there is one Panditji home and I am celebrating and cutting the bakra, he always has me.
Let me stop.
Last point.
I want to say something, sir.
Please say.
Chhat Puja is about to come. Chhat Puja is about to come. Please be with me and please go with Bihar.
Come with me, Bihar.
Come with me in Bihar.
And
I will show you.
do you know what is the real definition of the festival? Do you know? I am talking on the independent republic day of
It's
October.
also kind of festival.
Festival is not festival, this is ceremony. This is ceremony. This is not festival. Let me clear. Ma'am, republic, ma'am. They are independent. Let me clear. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti is not a festival. This is ceremony.
Okay.
And ceremony. And we are the people. And अरे नसीब क्या बात कर रहे हैं? अरे on the basis of
What is this? It's a national
you
festival.
okay, let me last point.
What is it?
Last point, बोला.
It's a national festival. Okay. You will have to understand it's a national festival. Okay.
And okay. Last one.
Sujit, you both have to sit down now.
Sir, last point.
But he is absolutely right that 15. You should celebrate 15 August.
Yes, sir.
Why are you dividing? You are dividing people actually.
Yeah.
What is wrong?
What is wrong, sir? Ma'am, please.
Okay.
Please. Okay. आइए. Okay. We are celebrating festival, different type of festival like Bakrid, Eid, Chhath, Diwali, different type of. Okay. We are distributing the people on the basis of casteism, on the basis of religion, on the basis of community, and you are talking about the festival. Say on.
The festival. For the only festival.
Yeah. Okay.
For the only festival they are talking about the casteism.
अरे casteism is a main problem in India, sir. Casteism is a main problem in India. Casteism is a main problem in India, sir. Casteism is a main problem in India. That is why our India is not growing, sir. Our India is not growing.
Listen to her.
अरे सर कैसे मैं सुनूं? How? Yeah, no problem, sir. Casteism is a main problem in India. That is why our India, sir, we are celebrating, we are beating in the sir, making celebration. That is why our others.
First of all, you will have to understand before few minutes what you said. You said like Muslim are celebrating like Chhath Puja, Diwali or not. Okay. What I said, you can see what is the harsh reality of India. Everyone is celebrating festival.
How can you say that?
Together, and it's also good. It's also
Capture.
nationality. Sir is celebrating. Okay. First of all, you will have to tell. In Eid, sir. No, it's not like that. In Eid.
Who job?
I want to say something. What?
You're talking about Chhat Puja?
Yes.
Do you know the history of Chhat Puja?
Yes, I know. I'm telling you. What? After one mass, when Sita Ma, you will have to understand. After one mass, when Sita Ma was coming in Bihar, in Mithila, and that time she was celebrating Chhat Puja, and she is the first lady. She is the first lady. Oh God, sir, see, you have to understand. Okay, let me do it. Okay, see, you will have to understand. I'm listening.
Since 1 hour you're only shouting, you're not listening.
Okay.
Guys.
I can also shout, but shout on the genuine point.
Very nice.
I'm listening you, ma'am. I'm listening you.
When Ramji killed it, Ramarji. You are saying that when he went Vanmas, he killed it Ravan. That's Brahman Hatya. He got the Brahman Hatya. To तो उसको just to
Okay.
just to
First
prove that मतलब to remove that Brahman Hatya, the Sita Ma had Chhat Puja, and you are saying that he went for the Vanvas. You don't have the right, and you are talking about festival. You are talking about culture.
There's no point of Vanvas.
Yes, sir. And you are talking about festival. Get out! Shut up! You are talking about festival. You are supporting.
You are wrong.
You are supporting.
I was talking and stop.
And she is supporting festival. She is supporting festival and she don't know what is the history of festival. She don't know what is festival and she is supporting festival.
I know very well. Okay, I was speaking.
You have wrong data. You have wrong data. First of all, collect the right data.
Everybody has to sit down. Everybody has to sit down. Okay, fine. No, I will. Don't worry. Okay, no problem. Please sit down. Guys, fight but professionally. Don't be personally, please. Please do not be personally. It's humble request. But I have told already guys, more than 3 people cannot. You can, empower by clapping. You are shouting. You are just whispering in the ear. You are again whispering. No, it was dramatic. A speaker can do.
When he celebrate any festival, then he became a human.
That's your point. It's not okay. It's okay. A speaker can do anything from here. How dare a public to do anything? Don't do anything. A speaker can do anything. He's dying, no problem. It is his dramatic situation. Let him do now. But public is doing. It's not good. You can clap, right? A little bit you can provoke or something like that. All right. Your feet is not speaking. You should do like this, right? Hamza, the time is yours, please.
So, good morning, everyone. So, first of all, I would like to counter his point. The first point he made is that on the eve of festivals, most of us go to homes and enjoy our festivals. I would like to counter his point by saying that many of us, we who are preparing for exams, and many of us, they don't get the opportunity to go in festivals. And on the other hand, what about those families, those persons who lost their loved ones? They don't get the happiness in festivals. Instead, they get the sadness. What do you think about this?
If you don't have your loved ones, your relatives, your friends, they are your loved ones. Why you are not accepting them? Why you are not accepting them? This is your fault, man. This is your fault. Why you are not accepting?
Keep it calm. I am saying that if, for example,
Yes.
Nauzubillah, I lost my loved ones.
Yes.
Is there any point I go to my relatives? Is there any point I go to my friends?
You don't have relatives. You don't have loved ones. If you have lost your loved ones, you don't have relatives. You don't have friends.
I have relatives.
That means,
What I'm saying that- Sir, I have relatives.
there is a fault in yourself.
Sir, that is what I am saying. If I have relatives, why would I go to them? See, I'm in sadness. I'm in stain. How can I go to somebody else's home? No, sir. Manana festival. How can you celebrate while you are in sadness?
There is no need to celebrate everything. If you are going if you're going for your relative, they will give you sympathy. Yeah, sir. They will sympathize you.
See,
If you don't have relatives, if you don't have friends, that means there is a negativity in yourself. That's why you don't become.
Festival is not sympathizing someone. Festival is for happiness. Festival is not. It's not for sympathizing someone. Festivals is not for sympathizing someone, sir.
Institute coaching also provide the
You sit down. Any other point you want to make, please?
Yeah, sir. On the other point, sir, talking about pollution. As you have seen, many of us in India on a global scale, India currently stands at a bottom of the list in pollution. You can say.
What about the fighter jets?
See,
about America, England, Russia?
What about the war?
What about the fighter jets? What about the aeroplanes? What about the aeroplane? They are producing most carbon dioxide in the. You are not concerned about that thing.
What vehicle?
You are concerned
Yeah.
about.
Wait, he's sharing opinion. Have you shared?
Yes, sir.
What was your point, last point?
Sir, I shared about pollution, sir.
Pollution.
Pollution. Anybody wants to counter publicly?
Sir, I would like to counter.
Let Captain say
Sir,
something.
sir, my dear brother, I would like to say that the most carbon dioxide is being polluted by the aeroplane. It is flying in the sky, and people are using who is rich people.
there are
In
guidelines,
America,
there are guidelines.
first listen me.
There are
First
guidelines.
listen me. First
There
listen
are
me.
guidelines. Air
You have asked your question. Now you have to listen me.
Okay.
First, you have to listen me. There are so many fighter jets. Who is flying? America. Who is selling? Their defense system, America, they are selling, and they are so-called people. They are not in our country, India. They have their agencies there, and they are launching their in their reports that India is most polluted country. Who told you? We are living in India. Where is pollution? In Lucknow, where is pollution?
There is no pollution.
There is no air pollution. There is no pollution. There is no air pollution. I am able to breathe. I am too able to breathe.
Water pollution. Is there?
First decide.
Do you
Air
have the
pollution and water
facility-
pollution.
Do
First
you have
decide.
the facility
First
to
decide.
drink water from tap directly?
First decide. Air pollution and water pollution. First decide. Air pollution and water
from
pollution.
tap directly.
Sir.
Lucknow has no pollution.
So what? Sir, what do you think?
Yes or no? Lucknow
Sir,
has no pollution.
Then you have to answer me that in America there is no pollution. In India there is. Then
You are just
there is no pollution in America.
There is no pollution.
Sir, they are so-called people
ignoring the
American.
point,
They
there is
have,
no
sir,
pollution.
they have used their all resources and they have developed themselves. First industrialists come there in their country, and now they are targeting our country.